friends, this is the Miss Wolfie from our half-acre homestead. Nancy's helping me put up fairy lights. Okay, there's the first one, and it goes all the way to there. You can't really see it, but it runs across to that tree and comes down. We got 3 more to do. Doesn't she look enthusiastic, folks? Look at them, folks. Nancy's brought me flowers, and she's got her back to me. Say hi to everybody, Nancy.
Hi.
She's brought me flowers for an anniversary gift. Oh, I know what these are. Oh no, I don't. But
the bees love them.
They're in, well, bees love anything blue, eh? Blue and yellow is their favorite color, so that goes, this is considered blue.
Like that was orange, red, and yellow. And
they almost look like they're a part of the mint family.
It's not a herb.
Blah. Nope, not an herb. So Nancy's like working hard all day, whippersnipping and garden for other people, and then she's come and plant flowers for me. God bless you, Nancy. So what did you tell me about this stuff? What is this stuff?
Dettol. It's for disinfecting cuts, but it works good against mosquitoes.
Does it ever?
Yeah, it works really good. And not so much with black flies, but mosquitoes it really works.
Awesome. There you go, folks. Dettol Antiseptic. Effective protection from germs that cause infections.
Get it at Walmart. Or Pharmacy in Wakefield.
Pharmacy or Walmart. Awesome. Thanks, Nancy. So I'm out here weeding. Look at the size of my cabbages. And I got potatoes growing all in the ground here, and up through my boxes, because Howie said he got them all last year, but I don't think so. Monster tomato plants. This is my shoulder height right here, folks. Okay, so there's my garden, and you saw my cabbages. I'm actually picking the strawberries off as they come so that the plants will actually grow stronger. And these are my beans, and at the other side, my yellow beans turned out to be climbers. They're going crazy. And you can see potatoes now growing up in between my rows. So I told Howie, I've just finished weeding. It doesn't look like it, but I've told Howie he's going to have to just whippersnip around the outside of the boxes, and we'll let those potatoes do what they want. But they're even coming up through the grow boxes. Oy vey. So we're really bad with our flower names. But there's morning glories in pots, and here is... These are like a trailing, they just kind of bush up and fall over the end. And if you guys dig these up, I will put you on the spit right next to the pig. Yes, I will. Oh, you taste real good. Speak. Speak, Gracie. Good girl. Frankie, speak. Frankie says, I don't speak, I just climb. Let's get the snotties from your eyes. And we went up and looked. I realized that, remember the flashing lights, the fairy lights? Do you remember when I discovered that they had an on-off switch? So we just went up and turned them all on, but we didn't know whether they were working or not until we covered the solar panel on them. Guess what? They only come on after it gets dark. Awesome, eh? I need those turkey eggs for the babies. I boil them and feed them the yolks. Thanks, honey. Yes, folks, the pool is coming Friday, and then it's being put up next week. This is the Miss Wolfie from our half-acre homestead with just a kind of garden update. Take care, God bless. Another daughter, folks.